Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's Matt Malone here. So today's video is going to be just a short little video showing you guys why the 05 to 06 RSX is probably the best choice to get if you're a Honda guy, I guess. You're into that NA stock under the hood type of guy. So yeah, let's get right into it. Basically what I've done to this car, it's nothing really under the hood. I just got a short ram intake directed that way, not down there where you get a lot of heat soak. And I didn't want to go with the quarter intake where it shoots down to the bottom, because here in Houston we got a lot of rainy days and a lot of floods, so it's not really a good idea to have that. But I don't know, in my opinion I think that's a bad idea. But if you want to risk it for performance, go ahead, do you. But this is my daily, so I'm just gonna play it safe. Also, I'm running energy motor mount inserts for the front and rear, so it's a little stiff, along with the engine torque damper. This damper is for a 02 to 04. Because of this bracket here, I had to drill a hole on the I don't know what you call this, shock tower, I guess. So I had to drill a hole here just to make this bracket fit on here, and it worked fine. I didn't want to go with the solid mounts. Well, it's pretty much the same basic thing. It makes the inside vibrate quite a bit. Wheels, tires, I got Koenig. I have the Koenig hypergrams. They're 17 by 8 plus 35 all set. The tires are Bridgestone Potenzas RE 760 Sports. They grip up pretty good when it's warm out. When it's cold, they just want to spin. Check out the inside. The inside, not really much. That is not a shifter. This is only a hybrid racing shift knob. Got a bunch of stickers. Shout out to Shades Wade. Each sticker is plus 5 horsepower. That is not a lie. And the rear is stripped pretty much. Sometimes I like to take out the little base box, extra 12 pounds out. Suspension, I have BC coilovers, just the regular BR types. I have a muffler and resonator delete with the, I think it's a 2.5 inch exit, and then poly bushings all around. Fancy schmancy lower control arms with the brace. I have power steering leak somewhere in some places. Got a oil leak up here. I don't know if you can see that, but no, you really can't. Stock header, I'm not running headers, just a stock exhaust manifold. Now I do have a header just sitting around that I want to put back on, but I don't want to put it back on until I get like K-Tuner or K-Pro. I'm thinking about going K-Pro pretty soon, because everybody's making moves on their cars, and I'm just sitting here just with a little intake here. But this video is just going to show you, like, you don't really need all that. Like, I'm happy with the way this car runs, but watching other people throw money at their car is just gonna make you want to do it too. This car wasn't really intended for like drag racing. It's just, I guess it just beats people. I don't mean to sound cocky. It just does what it does, I guess. This guy right here, I don't know if you've seen the video. We raced too, and he caught up top end. That's pretty good against V6s. Any other Honda stock, you know, football thons, they're not gonna beat you in this. Unless they're tuned or K24 swapped or something crazy. Alright, so I'm just gonna let the video speak for itself. Some of you guys have probably already seen some of the runs. If you're new here, hello, this is my RSX Type S here. Here I do just highway pulls, a little bit of toge. There's gonna be a lot of toge videos coming up for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Hey guys, hope you guys enjoy the video, and see you on the next one. Alright.